In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed your Canva design in Google Sites. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process in just a few minutes, enabling you to seamlessly share your Canva creations on your Google site. Let's dive right in. To begin, take a moment to head over to Canva's homepage. If you haven't already logged in, you'll need to do so now, allowing you to access all your previous designs. Once you're inside your account, locate the search bar at the top of the page. In that bar, type in Website. This simple search will bring up a variety of website templates from which you can choose. Spend a bit of time exploring the different options. You'll find a mix of free and premium templates. So if you're mindful of your budget, fear not, as there are plenty of free templates to choose from. Once you've settled on a template that speaks to you, go ahead and click Customize this template to start making it your own. Now is the fun part, where creativity takes the wheel. Feel free to make any changes to the template to suit your project's requirements. This might include adding your text, inserting images, or including specific elements that align with your vision. Once you're pleased with how your design looks, it's time to get ready to share it. Direct your gaze to the top right corner of the Canva interface and click the Share button. A menu will unfold before you, displaying several sharing options. Click on See All to reveal the full array of choices. Here, you're searching for the Embed option. Once you find it, click on Embed. Don't be surprised if you're prompted to click on the Embed button one more time. This ensures that you're obtaining the precise link needed. After doing this, you'll soon see the choice to copy the embed code. Click Copy to save this code to your clipboard, preparing for the next step. It's time to transition over to Google Sites. Open a new tab and launch Google Sites, navigating to the site where you want to embed your newly designed Canva project. Upon arrival, search for the Embed button, which is typically found in the Insert menu. Click on it, then select Embed Code. Now remember that code you copied from Canva? It's time to put it to good use. Paste it into the field provided. After doing so, click Next. You should see a preview of your embedded design appear, allowing you to verify that it's exactly as you intended. If it meets your expectations, go ahead and click Insert to place your Canva design onto the Google site. And just like that, your Canva creation is magnificently showcased on your Google site for everyone to admire. So whether you're preparing a presentation, compiling a digital portfolio, or simply want to display your artwork uniquely, this method of embedding Canva designs into Google Sites provides an incredible way to elevate your digital projects. I hope this guide was helpful, and I look forward to seeing the fantastic designs you share with the world. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.